In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a HackerRank profile link if you're applying for jobs, showcasing your skills, or just want to send your coding achievements to a friend or mentor. Sharing your profile is quick and simple. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the HackerRank website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your profile. Everything I'm showing works best on a desktop or laptop, but it's perfectly fine on mobile too. Once you're on HackerRank, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile picture or avatar. It might be your photo, your initials, or a default icon if you haven't uploaded one yet. Click that avatar to open a small menu. On mobile, you may need to tap the menu icon first and then tap your avatar. From the menu, select Profile. This takes you to your public-facing profile page, which is exactly what you'll be sharing. Take a quick glance to make sure the page shows what you expect: your username, badges, certifications, and other visible activity. If something looks off, you can always adjust your profile details later, but for now, we're focused on getting the link. Next, go to your browser's address bar at the top. This is the URL you'll share. Click once to highlight the entire link, then copy it. On Windows and Linux, use Ctrl+C. On a Mac, use Command+C, or right-click and choose Copy. That's it. You've captured the direct link to your HackerRank profile. Now you can paste and share that link anywhere you want. Drop it into a resume or portfolio, add it to your LinkedIn, include it in an email to a recruiter, or send it in a chat. To paste, use Ctrl+V on Windows and Linux, or Command+V on a Mac, or right-click and select Paste. If you're posting it online, consider adding a brief note like "View my HackerRank profile" so people know what they're clicking. A quick tip before you send it widely: open a new private or incognito window and paste the link there to see how your profile looks to others. This helps confirm you copied the right page and that everything loads correctly. If you're sharing from a mobile device, you can usually long press the address bar to copy, then long press again in any app to paste. And that's all there is to it. Go to HackerRank, open your profile, copy the URL, and share it wherever it helps you shine. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.